Right, today we're going to take a look at a really nice, kind of a collectible Zippo. And I also got in the Mission Impossible complete first season. And I believe these are from 1966. You can see Martin Landau and Barbara Bain, who went on to Space 1999. So let's take a look at this Zippo. So this was really nice. It came in the double box with, actually it's a cardboard sleeve over a box, and it says Windy Girl Design. And there's the collectible box, and it just so happens that I have another Zippo that has the same design on it. That is a 1935 Zippo also. Well, let's take a look at this one. Oh, and it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA with that idiotic California P65 warning, made in Bradford, PA. So here is the new one. That is just a sticker on there, but this thing has some kind of nice features. The box is collectible. It's a 1935 replica made in USA with the Zippo logo. So there are a few things on this that are interesting. First of all, the shape. Now the shape of this is square. You can see it's flat on top. The normal or regular Zippos all have a curve. You see how that curves? Well, this 1935 replica is flat. It also has the slashes, the milled slashes on the corners, on the front, also on the back. It's pretty cool. And one of the main features that I like is the outside hinge. Here's an inside hinge. You can see the difference. And on the bottom we see a few different things. It is a genuine Zippo. And it says Bradford on the top line, and there's a D of 21. I think that's March or April of 21, and you can see the stamping of 1935. 1935 replica made in USA. Opens up pretty good. Fires up nice. I think I have probably maybe 7 or 8 of these windy Zippos. Let's do a drop test. That worked, but I'm going to try for a better hit. Okay, so it passes the drop test nicely. That is a 1935 replica Zippo. And I believe it needs a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.